My name is Kaylee Akers, and today I'll be informing you on marine biology and marine biologists. One question I'm always asking myself is, what do I want to do after school? One of my dreams in life is to become a marine biologist. You might be wondering what marine biology is. Well, marine biology is the study of marine life in saltwater ecosystems and how they interact with each other and the environment. There are lots of things to inform you on marine biology, so let me get started. Marine biologists are scientists who study the marine or salt life organisms. Some work with marine animals while others study the activities and habitats in marine plant life. They protect, observe, study, and manage marine organisms or plants. Most marine biologists work out in the field conducting observations while others work in research laboratories. Some of their research involves testing and monitoring sea creatures exposed to pollutants, collecting and testing ocean samples, and mapping the ranges of marine populations. There really is no such thing as a typical day for most marine biologists. Jobs and daily tasks can vary depending on what they are studying. Marine biologist jobs can be split into two main categories: field work and lab time. For example, a marine biologist investigating dolphin behavior or fish population will have a very different job to a marine biologist studying growth rates of plankton in a laboratory. Pursuing a career in marine biology can be competitive. A bachelor's or master's degree is required for entry research jobs. Doctoral degrees are usually required for jobs that let you follow your own research interests. A bunch of schools offer programs in marine biology, but many students graduate with their bachelor's degree in biology, zoology, ecology, or another animal science. As of August 27, 2020, the average marine biologist salary in Wilmington, North Carolina is $72,112 according to Salary.com. Salaries can vary greatly depending on factors including position, location, years of experience, and level of education. The most common benefits with being a marine biologist would be health, dental, and disability insurance, as well as paid time off. Some of the technologies that have been developed to use on the job are submarines. Marine biologists use submarines to go to the ocean floor. The submarines have mechanical hands that let marine biologists pick up heavy objects, collect samples, and set traps. They can drop down as far as 3 miles and carry as many as 1,500 pounds of research tools. Marine biologists also use waterproof cameras to explore marine life. Waterproof cameras really help because marine biologists can attach them to the backs of marine life. One last technology marine biologists use are computers for their research and writing. They use statistical programs to draw conclusions about marine populations and microcomputer programs for word processing. It is also used for entering data on a spreadsheet and putting together presentations. Some advantages of being a marine biologist are traveling, boosting knowledge, and ecology. Marine biologists get to do a lot of traveling to different islands and oceans. You also get to join exclusive meetings where you get to witness the latest developments in marine life. You also get to see some of the rarest species on Earth and meet important people in their job. Ecology is a huge reason most marine biologists love their job. Ecology is a big advantage for the marine biological world because it's what makes the study so important. One of the biggest disadvantages would be physical risk. Being a field marine biologist, you are spending most of your time at sea, so physical risk will always be there. Hurricane or rough waves cause risks that are unavoidable. Although, when studying for marine biology, you can practice enough to avoid such accidents. The most common misconception about marine biologists is thinking that they are SeaWorld trainers and all they study is dolphins and whales. A lot of people think marine biologists get to play with and train dolphins for a living. Studying whales and dolphins is just an option when you're a marine biologist. Most study other forms of life undersea. Another misconception is how much general science knowledge is needed to be successful in the field. Marine science majors have to really understand physics, math, and chemistry. Those subjects are more important than almost anything in the field. In order to study anything in a lab, a lot of chemistry is required. As for math, in order to create the tables, graphs, and total numbers for studies, a lot of statistics knowledge is required. Science of all sorts is majorly based upon numbers and averages in order to show data, so many skills learned in math and physics become useful. I wanted to end my speech by providing you with a fact. Studies show there are at least 226,408 marine species, but there are most likely at least 750,000 marine species that have yet been discovered. The oceans cover 71% of the Earth's surface and contain 97% of Earth's water. This is a very interesting fact in my opinion. With all of that being said, I hope that you all learned about what it takes to become a marine biologist and all the hard work that they do.